Oh, come in. Come on. This is Linn's review corner. I don't know if your shops are cold like mine in the winter. I don't have a mini split or any kind of heating system built into this space here, and it gets cold. So today I thought I would share a little shop tip. This is the Dreo desktop portable heater. And I mean, I have been dealing with cold shops for a long time. This is not the first one. And one thing I've realized is that when it's too cold, you just don't want to come out here and do any work. When it's uncomfortable, you just like, you come out here, you do whatever you have to do, and then you come back in again. So having it be nice and comfortable is a priority. It is a really big difference. And I personally really like this idea of a desktop heater, because you put it right where you are, and then you can get to work and you're getting this beautiful warm air right on you, and it's a lot nicer than having like a heater that's on the floor that you know, takes a longer time to heat up the entire space. I mean, that's fine if you have more time, but what if you want to run in and do something, be comfortable right here? You don't have to wait for it to heat up the whole space. So I really like that about it. I mean, you guys can hear it's quiet. I have it on right now, and it's just like, it's so nice and warm. What I actually do is, it is so small and light and easy to move around, I take it into my bedroom at night too, when it's really cold. Because my HVAC system is annoying, and that way I don't have to heat up the whole house. You know, I can just heat up the bedroom, and so it's a lot more efficient. This little unit is really efficient in general. And the main thing that I really like about it is the safety point. Because I always get a little bit nervous when it comes to like portable heaters, because what if you forget to shut it off? This has happened to me several times. So this one has a lot of safety features built in. Okay, so first of all, this uses 1500 watts. It oscillates 70 degrees. Let me turn it on so it oscillates and moves around so you guys can see it. It comes with a timer, which is really nice. It's quiet and it's safe. So this unit features like an electronic tip-over protection thing. So if it senses that it gets tipped over, it shuts off and the alarm sounds. And there it goes. So let's turn it back on again. It also features this overheat protection system where it shuts off if the unit gets above 50 degrees Celsius. So if the whole unit just gets too hot, it shuts it off. And there's also an alarm. And it's made with like flame-resistant materials to protect it further. I just like it. It's a very small and compact little unit. Inside it has a brushless DC motor and 9 blades, and it comes with 3 different heating modes. And 1 fan mode, which is kind of nice too. And the temp settings go between 41 and 95 degrees, and you can set whatever temp you want, like very precisely. At the back here, we have a filter that you can remove. Let me shut this off. And you can clean this, and it makes sure that no, you know, animal hair, lint, dust, that kind of stuff gets into the motor, keeps the air clean. So that's a nice feature. Plus, you can take this off and clean it as well. Auto off timer. So that's kind of a nice feature. But if you want to, you know, I want to keep this on, I'm going to bed, I want to keep it on for 2 hours and then want it to shut off. So then you can do that. So I have it on 5 hours now. You can bring it all up to 12 hours. If you want to keep it on 12, okay, cool. Oh, it is so nice and warm here. It is cold here. You know, we live in Virginia, and Virginia has weird weather, not something I'm used to. You know, the summers are so warm. The falls have been beautiful. Like 3 days ago, it was like summer weather, and now it's turned cold. It's cold. I mean, this is too cold really to wear. I didn't want to like bundle up completely though. Plus, I got my little heater to keep me warm. This is not that expensive. I'll put a link in the description. It's a really good little buy. Love having it on the desktop. I also put it on my desk when I sit in front of the computer and do editing, and the warm air just comes at you. You know, so it's really nice. So just a good little gift idea if you're looking for something, or you know, something for yourself if you're cold, because it's the worst thing and you don't get anything done. So productivity, you know, makes a big difference if you actually want to go out into your space and get creative and work, or you know, just feel warm at night too. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I think someone's calling for me. But in my old shop in Corvallis, I used to have an oil heater. I went through a couple of different heaters and it was always cold. I like the immediacy of something like this, that you don't have to think about, oh, I'm gonna be out there, let me heat it up for 2 hours before I get out. I can just come on, put this on my bench, and then I can keep it on, and it's really nice and comfortable. So